NuDB, in-memory live cache, everything running in by design. But now I have a problem with the blue line. These guys, I look at this again here. You know what? I declare the crisis is over. The crisis is over. I get them. My chief controller, Werner Sinzig.
Werner speaking.
Yeah, here's Hasso. I just fixed up. I work on my new iPad. It's fabulous. So that's and the in-memory database really works well. But now I come to you. I made a split-second decision, but sales budget will go up.
Okay.
So since we have everything in one system, I hope you can follow me. I want to do the 1.2 million more in the second half of the year, do 6 million in the third quarter and 6.5 million in the fourth quarter. Can you do that?
Hasso, let me put you on speakerphone for a second. So the numbers you see, they come from our sales and profitability plan. And you see we are operating here still on the budget we have created last year and decided in December. Let me open this application. So you wanted to create a new plan, or should we just change the numbers in the existing plan?
Yeah, I understand that we actually have to do a new plan, but make a copy of the existing plan, and then you can change the actual plan. I know that management has to be compensated on the old plan. You know, these are the rules. It has to be ordinary and justifiable, or whatever it's called. The compensation from management.
So my question here is, Hasso, what do you want to change? You want to change a category, or you want to change it by sales units?
Oh, I think you have to change it by category.
It's a product category you want to change, okay. You see here our sales planning applications has several tabs respecting the different views on sales on the plan, which is the sales view, the marketing view, and the financial view. For this kind of question, I go to the marketing view. You see here my product categories, and you wanted to change this number to 6 million.
Yes.
Okay. So what happens now is this figure gets distributed down to the regions, down to the products, down to the months, and the system applies the existing plan data for this distribution. Okay, and then you wanted to change the numbers in Q4 as well. Here we wanted to go to 6.5
plus.
Okay.
650.
6,500,000. Okay, the same happens here. Any other changes you want to do?
No, I think that's it, Werner. And then please don't forget to send an email to all sales managers.
Okay.
A friendly one, not too harsh. Huh? Yeah?
Okay.
They declare that the crisis is over and we have to look a little bit more uphill now.
Okay, now I save this data to the plan, and as it is the actual, the current plan, the active plan, you will see it then on your iPad as well.
And you think that, is the planning now integrated into the current system? In the old days, it was always a separate system, and then it took another day to get it back in the OLTP system.
So this is no longer a separate system. This is all integrated in one system, and at the same moment when I hit here and save the data, you can see it in all the reports, all the users can see it, and so on.
Werner, I know you since I don't know how many years, 26 years, and you were always in costing and financials, and so do we make a step forward with this new software?
Yeah, it creates more consistency, so we do not have to take care for any inconsistency for the different Excel sheets floating around. The system is always reconciled between the different plans. It is much faster, meaning that I can set up my plan without being interrupted by the systems from, let's say, long-running batch runs and so on.
So when we have the next planning meeting in September, October timeframe, So we can do this then together. So the head of sales,
Right.
the production, Peter Lawrence from production, and myself, and we can do some simulations with the planning before we finalize the plan for 211.
And Hasso, exactly that is what we can do. We can do it in the meeting, and what I expect from that procedure is that there's also a higher commitment to the data we have decided to for the
Now that's
plan
what
data.
we need, commitment, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so take a note that we change the way we do the planning in fall this year and not do it the traditional way. We do 5 meetings on Wednesdays every week, and then the plan is done. And
yeah, it will speed up our planning process, and as I mentioned before, I think the data are more reconciled and aligned between the business units and the divisions.
So, by the way, now, let me have a look whether this really happened here. Oh, that's pretty optimistic, but again, the email has to be friendly. Don't forget this.